Okay, I think a lot of folks have joined in. Maybe let me quickly rephrase what we are trying to do here. So, guys, today we are looking at art of problem solving framework. Very relevant, very important. A lot of big companies, big consulting companies, data analytics companies, they use it. Now, I was telling what is the biggest challenge in data analytics. So, the biggest challenge, even before starting on your data, working on your data hands-on, सबसे बड़ा challenge क्या है? What problem you want to solve for the client. A lot of times it is very vague. Clients are not sure ki kya karna hai, what questions you want to answer. So it's very, very relevant that you sit with the client to understand what they are trying to solve. Now, the great news is we have a framework. We have built a framework to do it. Okay. Now, no one will teach you this. This is only followed by some great companies. Very, very relevant. Otherwise, if you really want to become great data analyst, so keep your concentration levels high. और कुछ भी क्वेश्चन हो तो पूछना, ठीक है. So the framework says that first you find the current state, then you find the future state, and then you find the gap or the problem that will help you to reach from current state to future state. ठीक है. करंट स्टेट का मतलब क्या है, थोड़ा इसको समझते हैं. ठीक है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग द करंट स्टेट इज लाइक व्हाई क्लाइंट इज कमिंग टू यू, what problem he or she is facing. ठीक है. That is understanding the current state. So first you will understand who is your stakeholder and what is their roles and responsibility. Whether a marketing person is coming to you, whose role and responsibility is to increase the marketing sales. Whether, let's say, someone from the commercial team is coming to you, whose role and responsibility is to grow a category or a department. Okay, it's very important to understand who your client is, what is their role and responsibility, and what are they trying to achieve. Once you know who is your client, then you will understand what is the current scenario, why they are coming to you, what is their current issue that they are facing.